Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Hadien ba kajingelang pli Mawnongrim. Kabalalong hakalay po tuloy unay luar arajar arpuar. Nakbentaban sinay surok nong stoin Maweit kalaway no. Nakaliang jong National People's Party Maweit. Kalapelong sa kajingelang jong party hakabaw National President ukondrat kongkal sangma ula priang buram ya kispangot kipat ba kibala penyeso ilade syakni ka party. Kiba bunru kipat ba ki bomshim la sakhi dala ki jong ki khmat akni kajingelang ki la kulmar jingmut bat donru kibala bitar. Banyo iling ba ka rensan juga social media bahir kilama juga NPP hendai ke jingher kilama ke NPP kadai hadien ba ka jingelang bu Mawnongrim juga sarkar kalawai bat hadien kene la beteng pat sa ka jingelang jangka parti NPP kini iba peniso LDH ke NPP kidi kinong Krisyan Barim jangka HSPDP ke Kongres bat ke PDF napo kathan Maweit hakini kesengi nak liang jangka NPP kalapun ke buram ki katu kan Ngut kisamla kibalawan ra buram ka than lingba ka jingle isim menta jongki ha ka meklia games ke badang syudap penlong dangshen ha kini ki khindiat benai balalek no.
And because of the work that we have done in the last 4.5 years, the faith and trust of the people has grown. We saw hundreds of supporters from the HSPDP, hundreds of supporters from the Congress who have today decided to support Bajigur Maweit and the National People's Party. And because people are losing faith in other political parties, you are seeing many sitting MLAs are leaving their original parties. We are seeing this happen even in the HSPDP and other political parties also. And hence it speaks volumes of the faith and the trust that people have on the National People's Party. And hence, I would like to share with you that coming 2023 election, you have to only keep one thing in mind. And that important thing is that the National People's Party will be forming the government again. We will be getting a single majority in 2023. And the people of Maweit area and the people of Mawnongrim constituency will have to decide whether you would like to be part of the government and continue to see the development that this NPP government has given you in the past 4.5 years. Or would you like to be sitting in the opposition and not getting any development in the future? The decision is on the people of Mawnongrim. All of you know that in the last 45 years of statehood, West Hadien district and Mawnongrim constituency and Maweit area have been one of the most neglected districts and areas in the entire state. Even before I took over as Chief Minister, I told the people of the state that given an opportunity, we will do our best to ensure that West Hadien and the people residing here should also get the development that other parts of the state are getting.
Mawnongrim constituency ya ai play ke parung ya pi itu Kiba room thmai mentarasni kendiat agbai lebih baka development ngas kuaban pusat kendiat insol Kibun kikentin menakane dia keren Hadien ba di parti ada SPDP kiwan banyalat election hak tu gasni kaba kira pelong hak deka school presbyterian school hante apa Maweit kalau mereka kaba susi ba maki kila kambe nadu sanpos nem lasu kamleter ya kaneka Maweit jere bangin sale yang kata yang ane yakiti yakitai ndrei kasu keren tamila ka kentin ndrei kam jular kam meno oi nakalen tungiru keren la bande kata ka 6% ndrei ngasiatu yapi banakalen ka jonga barka tim jonga NDA hi baro pai nila percang bawala ya ka development hati dong hati konsensi baper kam tambe hati wes kasil jogi nama play nio iba ka wes kasil tungi kala sa ipin nadu san paus nem menjua nama play ni baklahi mangi kinong syong ni da bisa bha banjit jau nong nikmat kat kabawan kila keren ni jadriu ndrei kakampat umjule lada uppa ukrem aja ya kikun kayam neim ngasupan dia kajiwa berkata nata dau lada uppa umla ban pensa ya kikun kemut kemdom jimentoy erem nata dau idot kam ya no pa ubatrais kam nak bentar kikun kiti jong ya keren sapang Kiskin kiba per ako kane kaye Maweit ndrei ka kop yaki bahagapur jonga benta kendong kecerot man kaslong iwai pai wai nilala ban ai ya kaskin memele bale aga arjar kalai kimla ban wala tang ya kaskin memele man kawai pakawai kasno pipitip bahaya kata hagapur jonga kitin kiyo kadno nak kawai kasno to yang bisa bah naman ban sukren nagakin kalong kabasok ndre ban leya kakam kalong kabae bahat keting baik penting kita kata haja apulai nagikam ki bahama wele ulale ulokale mele jogi ulale nam ta ka pasisi ke jogi wanam adin wanam le chawai pa Tentang dia yang hukum nong ipat jopi saksi sempat maka thai ka dong ini kan kerla ka kumai pa lada lai kau sabusna nimla pande itu bikam debale kita tak sosing sing la pande kakin ko ong ba ya ka jingla jopi ki ong la kan pek tan lagi kam ka ba phile Kakin away go ba your success can be measured by your achievement. Jadi kami kita women itu apa sudah lelak. Kalau sisa kai cingle kepala pada diam hak apa kabar.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.